does Instagram notify when you screenshot? Either you screenshot a chat, either you screenshot someone's profile or while texting them. So here is how and when Instagram notifies. So suppose if I'm visiting a private profile, for example this is a private profile and I screenshot this, so they won't be notified. Yeah, notification won't be sent to them even if you screenshot a private Instagram profile. And let's suppose we get into the chat section. So as you can see, here is the chats. So if I screenshot this, they wouldn't be notified about this, but there is a catch which is very big. So suppose for example you are using this Instagram, you are messaging someone, you have turned on the vanish mode. Now when you screenshot here, they will be notified like you took a screenshot. This is only happens when you are in vanish mode, and otherwise the notification would not be sent even if you screenshot their post, their stories, their text, their chats, anything like that. I hope you found the information helpful. If it does, then